How to set up sleep timer on YouTube mobile app. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to set up sleep timer on YouTube mobile app. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. YouTube is testing a new feature for premium members that allows you to set a sleep timer. So watch the video till the end to get access to these features. First of all, launch YouTube application on your device. Log into your account. Now tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Head towards gear icon at top right corner of the screen. Now choose the option for try experimental new features and simply you need to scroll down. Find the option for sleep timer option. If you don't get that way, select get premium button. You can try 1 month for $0. Also, you can pick a membership that fits you, like individual, family, students, and many more. After that, you need to select try 1 month and activate premium feature on YouTube. Once done, you need to launch any video. After that, tap gear icon at top right corner, and here you will get the option for sleep timer. Tap on it and choose the time duration. So the option ranges from 10 minutes to 1 hour, or you can have it stop when the video ends. Once activated, a timer will appear at bottom of the screen, showing how much time is left. And when the timer runs out, video will stop. If you are still awake, you can add more time. If you aren't a premium member, you can use third-party sleep timer apps for Android or set a sleep timer through the clock app on Android. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.